Okay, 3, 2, 1. It hurts so bad, but I know it's gonna feel so good. Me after every breakup in high school. The chilly months are here, which also means that cold and flu season is ready to party. But you're over here like, yo, I didn't invite you. You didn't even bring a bottle. There's no cake for you here. Well, you could party hard with your own supply of mini bottles filled with shots, wellness shots that is, so you can naturally energize, defend, and heal those winter blues away. Today, I'll be sharing 3 wellness shot recipes that are super easy to make and can sit in your fridge all week long so they're ready when you need it. First up, the mood booster. Many people, including myself, tend to feel depressed or lethargic during the cold months. You know, the weather could be gloomy for days, the holidays are stressful, or even lonely. So if you can redirect your feelings but need a little help to improve your mood, here are some ingredients that'll help. Citrus, like lemon and orange, contain vitamin C and B vitamins that may improve brain health and reduce stress. Spinach is a great source of magnesium to increase serotonin levels, which can help regulate your mood and increase overall feelings of happiness. Apple has mind-boosting antioxidants and just like citrus, can reduce stress and anxiety levels. You simply have to throw everything into a juicer, and if you don't have a juicer, you can use a blender and just strain the liquid. Super easy. First, peel the citrus to prevent a bitter taste and juice everything up. Skim off the foam and pour the juice into a pitcher, large bottle, or funnel it into small bottles. I freaking love the green color from the spinach, and the apple and citrus just makes it taste so good. Next, the immunity booster. For the past couple months, I've been testing out different ways to boost my immunity, and along with living a more balanced lifestyle, I've been adding this awesome elixir to the mix. Once again, citrus is the hero with lemon and grapefruit. Super rich in vitamin C. Beets also contain vitamin C along with potassium and iron to strengthen your immune system. And my favorite power couple, ginger and turmeric, both are amazing anti-inflammatories. Just like the mood booster, peel all the citrus, then juice everything up. Again, I love the vibrant color here. Now the flavor is a bit on the earthy side, but that grapefruit juice makes it taste so good. And last but not least, the almighty cold and flu fighter. Let's say it's too late, got too real, you've lost the battle, you've got the sniffles, maybe congestion, you've got the coughs, the sneezes. Try this powerful combo. Lemon makes another appearance here with a boost of vitamin C, ginger for its anti-inflammatory properties, garlic and apple cider vinegar. I know, strong stuff, but both combined can help make the body less hospitable for cold and flu-causing bacteria and viruses. Cayenne is an amazing decongestant. Think about what it's like eating spicy foods when you're all plugged up. It just releases everything. And honey for its antibacterial properties. And the rest is just a bit hard to swallow, so this makes the journey a lot more pleasurable, if you could say that. Just juice the lemon and ginger. Then grate up some garlic and mix it in with the apple cider vinegar, cayenne, and honey. I'm not gonna lie, this is not my favorite one to chug down, but it has done wonders for me in the past. I've always gotta do a countdown before I take a shot. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it doesn't get better. And there you have it, 3 incredible wellness shot recipes. I really hope you give this a try. Make a bunch of these, put them in your fridge, and pop them in whenever you need them. Be well, my friends.